Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing two drones with cameras, each offering unique features and capabilities. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. Our first contender is the drone with camera. This user-friendly and versatile drone is perfect for beginners and children. It offers features like one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Now let's move on to our second contender, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. This drone takes aerial photography to the next level with its 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and 110 degrees wide-angle lens. You'll be able to capture breathtaking shots from a bird's-eye perspective. In terms of price, the drone with camera comes in at $129, while the Brushless Motor Drone with camera is priced at $199. Keep in mind that both drones offer unique features and capabilities, so the price difference reflects their respective qualities. When it comes to camera quality, both drones deliver impressive results. The drone with camera offers an HD 1080p camera, while the Brushless Motor Drone takes it up a notch with its 4K resolution. If you're looking for the highest level of detail, the Brushless Motor Drone might be the better choice. Flight time is an important factor for drone enthusiasts. The drone with camera provides approximately 25 to 30 minutes of flight time with its two rechargeable batteries. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone offers an impressive flight time of up to 40 minutes with its two 1,600 mAh batteries. Both drones are designed to be user-friendly, with features like one-key takeoff landing and altitude hold. However, the drone with camera takes it a step further with its smart app control, allowing for more interactive and customized flying experiences. Overall, the drone with camera is highly recommended for beginners and children, offering an intuitive learning curve and additional features like trajectory flight and gravity sensing. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera is praised for its professional-level camera quality and extended flight time. And there you have it, a comparison between the drone with camera and the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. Both drones have their own strengths and cater to different needs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, it's important to consider your budget, camera quality, flight time, and ease of use when making a decision. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed choice. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and happy flying.